So real quick, what I'm doing here, we're getting some dark stuff coming through in the bowling alley. So I'm over here basically by myself to do a spirit box session, try and find out exactly what's going on. I was feeling sick in the bowling alley. I don't feel sick now. So there's probably, some natural causes, non-paranormal causes for that. But we're going to see what I can get. So what are all those dark voices and sounds they're getting in the bowling alley? Who's responsible for that? Alright, so I'm going to ask a series of yes or no questions. And basically answer yes or no. Do you understand? Yes or no? Question number 1. Is someone in this room with me, yes or no? Question number 2. Is someone or something preventing you from talking? What the heck was that? That was creepy. I saw a hand. I kid you the frig not, I saw a hand reaching for the spirit box. Did I just see your hand, yes or no? And it's at red. These are fresh batteries and it's red means it's about to die. Something zapped it. Now it's back to green. Are you right behind me right now? Yes or no? That was creepy. What about Tall Man? I know he's been lurking around. I am? Haha. That's his voice. That's it. I know I've sensed you many times tonight. I know that energy. Why are you stalking us? What are you hoping to gain by doing that? The power? That was creepy. Are you in this room right now? I do feel a strong presence in this room right now. Are they still in this room? Watch? What should I watch out for? Well, St. Albans, this has been fun. I don't know how long it'll be until I'm back, but I had a lot of fun tonight. So thank you, and you all have a good rest of your night. They got really, really quiet. I'm quite surprised, but yeah, really interesting spirit box session. Really good way to end the night. I'm hoping there are a lot of really good EVPs in that. That would be awesome.